Okay, so I'm Fernando from UPC, and I will present the wallet desktop application. So this application aims to manage your identities, and to do so, the first thing you have to do is to create a wallet to store all your identities. Uh, uh, for for this purpose, you can go to the wallet tab, which have the form to create wallets. You can put a name. For example, I will put demo one, and then you can select the wallet the wallet type you want to use. At the moment, we only support the software wallet, which is a hierarchically deterministic wallet that is programmed on software, but in the future, there will be another option to support hardware wallets. You can click to add, and this will ask you a password to encrypt your information. So you can put your password, and then it asks you for, as it is a hierarchically deterministic wallet, you can put a mnemonic to recover a set of keys you have in the you already created in the past. So I will use one for development purposes because uh, it is easier for me to use existing account, uh, existing keys to show the demo more quickly. So I can use this mnemonic, and from now on I will use the keys I already used on the past. So the first thing when the wallet is created, the uh, the application starts an API, an HTTP API that you can access. This API is localhost because the application is running in localhost. So it will be always localhost because other applications will will access to this endpoint. So for creating identities, you have the the post identities endpoint where you can create the identities, and you only have to specify the alias, which, for example, I will put identity1. And if I execute it, if I go to the identities tab, I will see now that I have the identity created. And if I click to the identity, I can see all the information of this identity. The next thing I can do is to add resources. On the current release, we only support verifiable credentials that will be used to identify ourselves when we perform logins. So I can use this object, which is previously generated, to add on my wallet my verifiable credential. So if I execute it, now it asks me if I want to add this credential. I say yes. And if I go back to the identities, I now have a verifiable credential here, which specifies that I have the verifiable credential created. And also I can see it on the resources. And the last part is to perform the selected disclosure that is used on the login flow and is used to retrieve a set of verifiable credentials. And to do so, we have the disclosure endpoint. And if we can use this example object example. And if we look at this jolt, we can see that it is asking me for a claim that have the consumer role. So if I send this disclosure to the wallet, the wallet first asks me for selecting an identity. I select the identity one, and then I can. It asks me if I am sure to disclaim this disclosure, this claim consumer. If I continue, then it asks me if I want to sign the selected disclosure with my private key. And finally, it sends all the information. It sends a verifiable presentation with my verifiable credential. I can see it on the Jode. And this is the verifiable credential that says that I'm a consumer on Ether i3 market. And this is all from my presentation. I return back the speech to Achille, to Martin, sorry.
Thank you. Thank you, Fernando.